Use the special steam function to steam cook foods like vegetables and fish. Always use the supplied steam accessory when using this function. To use steam accessory, first, fill water in the bowl up to the desired water level marker. Next, insert the food-filled grid. Close the lid and put the steam accessory in the oven. Press the steam button. Now turn the adjustable knob to select the food class, which will automatically set the other cooking parameters. See the manual, or the food class sticker on the oven for details of various food classes. Next, wait for the oven to measure weight of the food, and then press the knob button to start the function.